Hi Ram students, this is our craft period and today's topic is paper butterfly. So you can take any paper, first keep a base ready for butterfly. So let us start. Take a cardboard and take a measurement for this plate for round and cut it. After that, cover any tinted paper, any paper you have at home and stick it. Okay, after that take any golden paper, golden color, silver color for the border. So you have lace at home, you can stick it here. I have this golden color, so complete it this like round with golden color or lace or paper you can use. So see the like this butterfly I have taken here, drawing sheet. So you cut it small to big butterfly. So take a three parts, cut it in three parts, one drawing sheet. Okay, like this, and cut it here. So one part you take first, like this, cut and keep ready. Okay, fold it in middle like this, take, then fold in three parts, in equal three parts. Okay, so at a time three butterfly ready. After that, see the fold, see like this you can draw here, and half butterfly you can draw, and then cut it with the scissor, and you will get a three butterfly at a time. Same size butterfly you can cut it like this. See, you will get three butterfly at a time. See, it is a first big, then small and small, like this you can cut and keep it ready. So border it with any golden color, silver color, any color you have at home, but it is light, it should be light. So after that, see like this you can complete, keep it ready, big, small, small, three type butterfly. Then arrange like this butterfly, big to small, like this, keep a gap and stick it in middle only middle. You can put Fevicol and stick it in this place. Wings are like upside, see, like this, keep, and stroke like this, golden color stroke, and take any light color, yellow, white. I can take here white color, then do like dot 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 here. Okay, so complete with this dot and decorate this round plate with your paper butterfly. Okay, like this you can draw any flowers again in here also. Okay, see, as you like you can arrange your design. See, back side, take a cardboard piece, small cardboard piece, and put here, stick here, upside and downside, both the side. Okay, then see. Okay, after that take a masking tape or double sided tape. I have taken here masking tape, cut it and round like this, round it like this and stick it here. You can stick it easily on the wall. Okay children, see on the wall, see like a beautiful wall hanging, you can say paper butterfly. Okay, it is easy, you can do. Okay, see like this you can arrange your home decor, wall hanging, paper butterfly. Okay, see you can take three big, small like this, you can arrange and show it to me. Okay children, bye.